I bought this small little $2 module last week, and I finally decided where I'm going to try it out. I'm going to replace a 9-volt battery in my multimeter because it lasts very short period of time. I always leave it on and auto turns off, so it consumes a lot of power, and I'm tired of buying crappy batteries, even the rechargeable ones. I had one of these with rechargeable cells inside, and this was also crap. This didn't last for a month and it needed recharging. So, yeah, I'm going to try a lithium ion battery. I showed you these. I bought for 20 cents and 700 milliamp hour. That should be enough for a year, but it depends on how the switch works, if it switches off all the power and internal things. So I'm going to try this out because that's what I want to do with these modules, potentially buy more. Replace the crappy batteries in things, so you just plug in and charge and you have a new battery. You don't buy any more crappy throwaway Chinese alkaline batteries or sodium. I think there are sodium too. But yeah, those are crap. You just throw them away. Let's see. So when I turn this on, it says that I'm the devil 666 and says that the battery is low. It doesn't say that, just the code. Usually the battery appears here on top that it needs replacing. Let's see one more. Yeah, now it doesn't want to. Maybe it heated up or something and got a little more energy. So yeah, first things first. Here's the here are the terminals of the of this rechargeable battery that I once had, and I'm going to connect this to the electronics blah 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 to this module's output, voltage out, and connect the battery to in. Oh no, not in. I'm stupid. To battery, negative and positive. So let's see. Where did I put those wires? I don't know, so I'm going to use different ones. Oops, hit the camera. Crap. Okay, so we need maybe a few centimeters of wire, like that. Let's keep up with the code. Red means positive and black means negative. So this long with both ends cleaned and yeah, adding solder to it also. Come on, like that. You should always use a proper tool for cleaning the insulation, but yeah, I usually don't feel like using it. I have one somewhere. Is it handy? Yeah, I don't think I even tried it. It should be here somewhere. Oh yeah, this thing. Sorry. Yeah, you should hold the wire there and pull it, and yeah, this thing will do it. But yeah, I like doing it the wrong way. So let's put some solder on the ends. Like that. Oops. And of course I'll need two more wires. But first, let's not mix up things. Let's do them in order. So the battery has protection, like a BMS, or what do you call it? I don't have to worry about that. But this thing also has protection. It doesn't let the battery go below 3 volts. So that I don't have to worry about. But yeah, let's see. So let's connect the output first. So this is the positive. Let's zoom in. That's the positive out. Voltage out. Are there solder pads there? Is that? Oh yeah, I can just solder here, not necessarily into the hole, just here. The pad that is already soldered, like that, positive, and the negative below it. It's kind of close together, but yeah. Solder carefully, and it will work, hopefully. Oh, my finger! Yep, that happens. But at least the solder joints are okay. And yeah, let's connect it to the... Luckily, this has a marking. This is the positive and this is the negative. So it's really easy to mix it up. to So the positive comes here. Come on, I need some more solder. So the positive here. How do I hold it in my hand? I need a few more hands. Am I holding it? Yep, that's bad. Anyway, I need to put some solder on it first because it doesn't want to accept it. Hey, oops, I just burned out the tip. Oh boy, how embarrassing. Where do I have some more wire? What am I doing here? Is that piece of metal even... Can that be soldered, or am I being a fool here? So here's a new tip. And maybe if I use this cleaning goo, I can... yeah, let's just replace the tip, which I melted or burned. Yeah. Put it in like so. And tighten down the screws. And hopefully we won't do anything stupid anymore. Something more stupid, because that would be bad. Let's use a bigger screwdriver. Gently tighten it. These two. You don't want to cut the wire, just go into it, so it will be very good connection. And pinch the tip, like with some other things you have to do. Yep, the new tip is ready. So my theory is that you can use some solder and some of this paste here. Come on. And let's see. Does it want it or not? Yep, now it worked. And it's not on camera. But as you can see, it got some solder there. So let's do the other one too. And let's not burn it like before. So like that. Oops. And it, it doesn't want to. What? Luckily I stopped burning it. But yeah, for some reason it takes 2 tries or something. What? What's the deal here? It burned off again. It doesn't want to hold. What? Maybe I need to scrape it. That's an old Indian trick. That's I mean old electrician's trick. Some of the solder actually made contact and doesn't want to come off, but I need more. I'm scraping it. Is this holding on? Yep, that's good, but this one isn't. And I almost burned the tip again. So let's try it. Where I scratched it up. Now it wants to hold a bit, but not really. So what's the deal with this? They are supposed to use good corrosion resistant and solder friendly material. What's the deal? Nothing. You see? Nothing. This is very new to me. I never experienced anything like that. Maybe one side can be soldered and the other not. So this is a really unexpected problem here. Let's try some new solder. I cleaned off the tip and try putting the solder on the other side, like here. Will it work? Nope. What the hell? I don't understand. So let's try again. I'm pressing it and doesn't want to stick. Oh boy. I'll stop this video and yeah, make another one about the rest of the process.